Good evening, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So let's look what happened today. So today, if you see market opened at 14,750 area, it went for a small pull down, and then you see this area 0.618, which I mentioned is at 14,746. So market took exactly the same area as support and started moving up. So let me show in 1 hour time frame. So it took support around 14,746, and then it started moving. So about 14,750 and 14,800, as I mentioned, short covering came in, which pulled the market. So earlier 14,800 was a huge resistance. So as I mentioned in my earlier video, if 14,800 sustains above the first 1 hour, then huge short covering may get in, which will trigger the market to 14,900, and this is the level I mentioned to watch. Mentioned to note 14,920, and look at this, guys, where market closed today, exactly at 14,924. So market broke all the sentiments today, started flying. So I said all the negative news are factored in. See, guys, what a strong move. Bank Nifty was super bullish today. Coming to the open interest, if you see 14,800 and 14,700 has a huge put writing on that, which is going to act as support for this expiry. This expiry is going to be very bullish. So market staying above this 15,045, which will be the first resistance. And if you see on the resistance side, again a scattered resistance, which has been like the call writers 15,000, 15,100, 15,200, all having a considerable amount of resistance. 15,000 is having a good resistance, but tomorrow it may break that. It will start flying above that. If you see up to till 15,500, 15,200, 300, all, if you see, call unwinding has happened. So if you see market is very bullish, call writers have unwinded their long positions. So this is the view. So above 14,930 to 40 levels, market will start flying another 100 points, and this is going to be surely a bullish week. So coming to Bank Nifty, see, guys, I had given the same levels in 1 hour chart. It made a triangle pattern, rising wedge, which is negative, again fallen, falling wedge, took support, falling wedge is a bullish pattern, 32,500, which is the level which I mentioned today, it may open. Exactly, it opened around 32,550 levels. It went down till 32,300, took support at 32,500, and then it started flying. Whole day it was bullish. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, everybody was supporting today. All the banks came for short covering. Above 32,500, mentioned as it's going to be a huge short covering till 33,000. Exactly, it moved till 33,000, made a small consolidation, and then again it started flying till 33,500. So look at this, guys. If you had watched the yesterday's video, which is the forecast for this week, you must be sitting in good profits. So for any positional longs, 32,500 and 33,000 should be the stop loss. So market tomorrow will break 33,500. I am expecting 34,000 for this expiry. So surely it is going to be a bullish week. So note these levels. So if there is any negative news getting in, if there is a huge negative news getting in, then market may try to fall. So anyway, it will take support around 32,800 levels, and then again it will start moving up. So it was a very long consolidation, and then market started moving up. So Dow Jones is currently close to 200 points down. Let's look at SGX. SGX Nifty is trading around 15,015. So let's wait for tomorrow morning. Say I mentioned earlier, SGX Nifty is sometimes or most of the times full of manipulations. If you come to the FIDA data, the FIA has considerably increased their long positions, which is around 46%. So close to, like 56% they are in shorts. Overall in stocks, index and futures, they are 57% long. Clients are as usual, like retailers are super bullish, close to 60% and above. They are on the long side. Close to 60% FIA has hedged on the shorting side to cover their if there is any downfall. So this is the data from FIDA. So coming to stock specific actions, if you had looked into the yesterday's videos, our picks for CDSL, UPL, and let me show you. One second, please. Yes. CDSL, UPSL, sorry, CDSL, UPL, and Birla Corporation. See guys, look at the moves. 67 rupees move. I had mentioned these levels. If it is sustaining above that, market is going to give a huge move. See, today it opened around the same area, 1054, above this resistance, and then it started flying. See, look at this guys, 50. Oh my god, close to 130 points, because this is a multi-year breakout. Let me show on the monthly chart, weekly chart, and a rounding bottom. Exactly, it has hit that level. So now what is next? It is going to fly around this above 1200 levels. I said to keep in radar. It is above that. I'm expecting another close to 600-700 points up move is there, because this is close to a cup and handle pattern, a rounding bottom. Another 700-800, at least minimum 500 points move is there. CDSL, as I said, it has broken the flag pattern. Just please check the yesterday's video, which is the forecast for this week. You will get clear. So again, above 824, it opened around 840, another 30 points up move. It is close around 862. See guys, this is the way we should pick the like intraday setups. We should get UPL. See guys, above this it will start flying, and then exactly it has started flying. Reliance 23 points move. Cochin Ship 10 points move. See guys, now it will go till 413. Let's look what happened to Lincoln Pharma, which we mentioned yesterday. 2 points move. It is consolidating at this area, not fallen. So yesterday we were looking, if it fall down, it closes below the previous range breaks, then we will look for a short. But again, it is consolidating. GAIL, shorting opportunity, fell down, took support around the resistance, recovered 154 to 151. KPI Technologies. See guys, this is my next pick. See the way it is moving. Consolidation, then engulfing, started moving, consolidation, then again a big move, and again consolidation, flag pattern, and again consolidation. Now it is close to 220, 238 levels. And this KPIT Technologies is a wonderful opportunity for us for swing trades and on long-term trades. So I will come up with a video on this KPIT Technologies. Also for the bank outlook, will come with for the private banks. If you found this information is useful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks, guys.